Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Leo fire sign. This is mid-September reading. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings and your feelings towards your person. So this side your person current feelings towards you and this side your feelings towards them. So first see your person feelings towards you. Okay, here your feelings towards them. Oh, lot of cards. Okay, so first we see your person feelings towards you, later we see your feelings, later we see mutual energy between both of you. So your person feelings towards you, Four of Swords, the Sun and Empress and Ace of Cups, and your feelings towards them, Knight of Cups, the Hierophant, Temperance and the Moon. Definitely your person seeing you as their happiness, definitely, because the Sun card is here. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot, Four of Swords. And yeah, they love you so much, Ace of Cups, their love is overflowing. Definitely they see you as a Empress. Definitely you stand by your power. Definitely they see you as a positive. They see this connection as a positive thing and positive connection. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot. Already you have a child with you, this person, or some children are also involved in this connection. And definitely your person feeling towards you very positively and their love is overflowing. And your feelings towards your person, Leo, definitely you also want to offer this cup of love to your person. And yes, you also want commitment in this connection. And you also want commitment from your person. If they don't offer commitment, yeah, patience and balance is needed. Definitely you are thinking about there is no balance in this connection. Yeah, the Moon, something is hiding in this connection. I think your person maybe hides something from you. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, particularly Pisces, the Moon energy is here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Sagittarius also you or your person could be. Definitely you both want each other, but there are some issues. The Fool card here, some illusions. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. The Hierophant, yeah, you both thinking about each other and seeing things clearly but not taking action. Yeah, Five of Pentacles. Some are, for some there is separation between both of you. One person acting like cold, giving to other person cold showering. So let's see more about you, Leo. Yeah, Page of Cups. I think communication is going to be happen between both of you in near future. Yeah, Knight of Swords. I think you want to go towards your person because I think it's your feelings. Page of Cups, you want to message your person, you want to communicate your person. So let's see from your person side more about. Okay, yeah, Page of Swords. They are spying on your social media. Definitely communication. Ten of Wands. Yeah, they're feeling very burdened. They're feeling very. See here, Ten of Wands. I think without you, they're feeling so much. So the stress is also causing like this. Thinking about you a lot. Yeah, Five of Wands. Definitely there are some disturbances between both of you. Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship also. Under the deck, Ace of Swords. Definitely communication, truth coming out. I think communication is the key here. You both have to communicate and talk things clearly and sort out everything between both of you. Yeah, the World. The cycles between both of you are going to be, and under the deck again, Page of Pentacles. Yeah, communication. If you both are in no contact or less communication, definitely there will be communication between both of you. So you both want each other, you both want commitment. Yeah, King of Cups. You both have emotions for each other strongly because Ace of Cups and Knight of Cups is you both have strong emotions for each other. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you. So later you both have to decide what to do, what not to do. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.